What's up, guys? Welcome back to Subtle Digs YouTube channel. Today we're going to be picking a master lock. There's a lot of people looking for information online about how to pick a master lock, and today we've got the 140D master lock, which is a security level 4. And really the security level is more to do with the actual steel, I think, and the hardened steel. But this one does say that its suggested uses include sheds, gates, storage lockers, and it does have double locking levers for pry resistance. It also has a pin tumbler cylinder for increased resistance to picking, and also cut resistance 1/4 inch hardened steel shackle. So fairly secure, something you might put on your shed, a locker, or some other area where you want items to be secured. And so today we're going to pick this master lock. I chose to use the 2-hump Bogota pick to pick this, and then I'm just going to use a standard tension wrench here, or the twist tension wrench, and just give it a shot. So let's see here. I'll start with the tension wrench on there. I'm going to start, I guess, with this side. I'm just going to go in nice and easy, and kind of feeling around there for the pins. Oh, maybe flip that around. Oh, and there it goes. So in less than 10 seconds, I was easily able to open this master lock. In terms of its pick resistance, I would say this is probably one of the easiest locks to pick. Probably a great lock for a beginner lock picker, someone who's just starting out, someone who's just getting into this. And so once again, that's the Master Lock 140D. You can find it in any Home Depot or Lowe's, and I'll include a link in the description below as well. And then the lock pick set that we're using right now is the Subtle Digs Professional Lock Pick set. And again, I'm using the 2-hump Bogota and the twist tension wrench. Let's see if I can do that again any faster. So that's locked. Put the tension wrench in. I'm gonna flip the Bogota upside down using the 2-hump there, or right side up, I guess it would be. And there it goes. So in less than 5 to 7 seconds, I was easily able to open up that master lock. If you have any questions or would like us to do more videos and different locks, feel free to leave those comments in the description below. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you want updates. And until next time, this is Subtle Digs. Thanks a lot.